Here's an elegant yet easy spell to consecrate your magical tools and any other special ritual items. Consecration is a spell in itself, so take your time as you bless and clear each item of any unwanted energies.
You will need
1 sage stick, a small fireproof dish or an ashtray, the object or objects to be consecrated, for example an amulet, a wand, athame or other tool,
and a lighter or matches.
Place the fireproof dish at the center of your work table or altar. Gather the ritual tools or personal items you would like to cleanse and place them on the altar as well. Take 3 deep breaths to relax and focus your energy. 1, 2, 3. Light a match or use a lighter to burn the sage stick. Hold it in one hand and gently blow it out so that it smolders, creating smoke. Hold the sage stick in your dominant hand. Take the object you are going to consecrate in your other hand. Pass the object through and around the sage smoke, while you say, "With the smoke, I cleanse this object of all negative or harmful energy, so that it may be used for my highest good." Align your energy with the object you are holding. Breathe full and deep as you visualize your energy aligning with it. Imagine your energy as a gentle, glowing light, which radiates from you to surround it, until that object also pulses softly with your energy. When you feel done, place the object on the altar. Repeat this process with each item or tool that will accompany you in your spiritual path. When you have finished consecrating each object, take a moment to return them to their proper spaces.